Greetings from Erstaviksbadet in Nacka, this beautiful, huge, sandy beach located on the Baltic Sea. It is 11:30 right now, and this is how the sea looks like on this 7th of August, this Thursday. And it looks absolutely stunning indeed, and Kris is ready for yet another beach adventure here on the sea. And to get here, I took my Scott for 16.5 kilometers, around 40 minutes, both road and off-road. My Scott always ready for an adventure. And yeah, out in the beautiful nature reserve of Erstavik, we can find Erstaviksbadet. That despite the school has started, still few people here on the beach because it is currently 19 degrees Celsius and it's gonna get also hotter later today. So 40 minutes ride from my home and I'm in paradise at Erstaviksbadet, my happy place that is. And we can first check out the temperature of the water before we dive in. But apart from the huge sandy part, there are lots of rocks that I have been actually a few days ago. And we can see Tirasol also on the other side as well. So we can see now what is the current status of the sea. Oh, the sea has chilled down. It is 19 degrees Celsius. Alright, that's 4 degrees colder than it was here a few days ago. So yeah, the sea is getting colder actually. So let's then get on with it and enjoy a nice swim here in Erstavik. Erstaviksbadet, this magical place, my happy place. I just can't believe that it is 4 degrees colder than 3 days ago when it was 23 degrees Celsius in the air. So that's very huge difference indeed. But the water here looks stunning, even though it's cold. I think it's colder because there are no waves to bring in the warm water from the sea, but still, we are ready to dive in at Erstaviksbadet. Amazing, so beautiful. Look at that. My most beautiful nature reserve that I have just 16 kilometers away from my home. This is paradise. This is true paradise. And the nature reserve continues along the forest over there, and lots of beautiful cliffy beaches also are over here in Erstavik. But let's not wait much longer. Let's take another swim here in this beautiful crystal clear Baltic Sea. Despite being slightly colder, it's still so nice, beautiful indeed. Erstaviksbadet at its best. So beautiful. It's going to be yet another beautiful day on the beach here in Erstavik. And on the way here on the bicycle, I have met lots of deers with horns on. It was so exciting to see because this is their natural habitat, obviously, and they live in rough nature. So I'm gonna be chilling here today on the Temp beach for starters. Hopefully there won't be more people coming in because it's a bit windy. And yeah, that's the wrap from Erstavik. And thank you so much for watching. And Kris.